One, there should be academic excellence. Dapat naging head of the class or at least naging honor student.
Just another Monday, or so they thought. They don't wear barongs. They're not in debates. They're not in the surveys. But their voice, their vote, it still counts.
Pangalawa, may professional excellence. Kung naging professional yon, dapat binigyan siya ng mga award ng mga kapwa professional niya dahil sa hanga sila sa kanya.
Not a politician. Not an influencer. Just one vote.
But third and most important, we should have moral excellence. Dapat ang binoboto natin walang bahid sa kanyang record. O kung may inimbesto man, masyadong hindi ka panipaniwala.
But one vote is all it takes. Tomorrow is election day.
So, good luck to you and good luck to all of us. I hope this country will deserve to be what God meant it to be, a happy, prosperous nation.